Right, so today we have something to unbox, and as you can see it says Texecom on it. It is a 64 zone wireless kit 1001, which I've ordered. Security seal's been cut. Open it up and see what we've got. So we've got capture PIRs, which is good, and then this is an upgrade. We've got manuals, which is nice. We have got a Texecom wireless keypad with batteries and a screw. We've got a cable for connecting to computer, I think, or something like that, not too sure. Oh no, I think this is the keypad start-up lead. Excuse me. We've got wireless door contacts. And then we've got one capture, two captures, and three captures. So there's some proximity tags. So and I've got the main panel as well. So yeah, that's the main panel. This is a Premier Elite 64W panel. So this is what I'm going to be installing in this house. So I've also got a dual tech PIR, which I ordered separately for the living room. So yeah, that's this little kit. There might be video of it being installed in the demo. But yeah, for now that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.